Hey there! Ever wrapped up Black Friday feeling like you crushed it, only to realize you have no idea what actually worked? If you have, or if you're currently drowning in a post-BFCM data mess, I'm here to help you out. To begin with, stop juggling between multiple tools to gather data. It will consume time and increase confusion. Instead, connect all your platforms like your payment gateways, your shopping cart, e-commerce site, marketplace data in Putler. Putler will instantly unify your data and show you what worked and what did not. First up, let's talk about money. How much revenue did you make during the BFCM? Since you have connected all your payment gateways to Putler, you can simply adjust the date range to the days you ran your BFCM offer, and you will be able to see the total revenue you earned across all your platforms. Next, let's look at the dreaded refunds. Go to the sales dashboard and in predefined filters, click on Refunded and watch this. You instantly get a complete list of BFCM refunds. Here's the golden opportunity. Export this list and reach out for feedback. Trust me, this feedback is pure gold for improving your next campaign. Now, let's dive into your top performing products during BFCM. Head to the product dashboard, where you'll see your best sellers ranked by exact quantities sold and revenue generated over time. These insights are essential for planning your inventory and promotions for next year's BFCM. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Click into the holiday season comparison and boom, you're looking at this year's BFCM traffic versus last year's. No more guessing if your marketing actually worked. The numbers are right here. That's your promotional efforts paying off. But which promotions actually brought in the money? Let's find out. In the audience dashboard, you can see exactly which channels drove your sales. Social media, email campaigns, paid ads, it's all here. Look at these conversion rates. This is exactly what you need to know when planning your marketing budget for next year. Here's another game changer: customer insights. The customer dashboard shows you exactly who your buyers were. New versus returning customers. See this breakdown? You can use these key customer insights while you target your next launch, next offer. So there you have it. Complete BFCM analysis in minutes, not hours. No more spreadsheet nightmares or data hunting. You've seen how easy it is to track all your revenue in one place, turn refunds into valuable feedback, identify your best performing products, compare year-over-year performance, and understand exactly where your sales came from. Here's your cue. Try out Putler to do a post-BFCM analysis and start making sense of your data today.